everyone, welcome back to another very beautiful party decoration. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and stay updated on all my future uploads. This channel is all about party decorations and holiday decorations for each and every event. All the decorations on my channel are exclusive, which you can find nowhere else on the internet, so that's reason enough for you to subscribe. For this decoration, I'll be needing 10 small red balloons, 10 small white balloons. Both of these balloons will be of heart shape. I will also take 2 normal small balloons of red color and 2 normal small balloons of white color. Besides this, I'll be needing 5 large balloons of heart shape in red color and 1 large balloon in white color. What we'll also be needing is red color crepe paper and white color crepe paper. To inflate all the balloons, I'll be needing a balloon pump. And the first thing that we will do is we'll inflate all the balloons that we have. First, we'll take 2 pieces of the heart-shaped balloons that we have inflated. We'll take the places where we tied the knots. And we'll tie knot on 2 balloons together. We'll take 2 other balloons and we'll tie these 2 together. So now we have 2 of these balloons. We will take 2 of these like this and push them in each other and twist it like this. And we'll take a 5th balloon and twist it in like this. Next, we'll take double-sided tape. We'll take a small piece of double-sided tape and you'll see where the balloon touches each other like this. So we can see that it touches it here. We'll put the double-sided tape here. Remove its cover and paste it like this. And like this, we'll put double-sided tape between each petal. First, I'll put 3 pieces of double-sided tape. I put it here. Then I'll take a small white balloon. I'll inflate it a little. And we'll tie a knot and close it. And we'll put this balloon like this. Now I will put my 4th piece of double-sided tape. And our 5th piece of double-sided tape here. And we have our rose here. Like this, we'll be making white roses and red rose. I have 2 white like this and I have 2 red like this. Next, I have here red and white crepe paper, and we will make small strips of them of 5 centimeters in width and 1 meter in length. In total, we will be needing 12 strips of the white color crepe paper and 14 strips of the red color crepe paper. Each strip is 5 centimeters in width and 1 meter in length. And after making these strips, on the side we'll make small cuts of 1 centimeter deep, and we'll cut after each half centimeter and make small cuts in all of these crepe papers. I'm going to make cuts in all these crepe papers exactly the same way. After we have made the strips, we'll open these up. And like this, we will open up all the pieces. I have pasted 4 white papers here, 4 red, 2 white, 2 red, 2 white, 4 red, and I'm going to paste 4 white here. And I'm going to paste 2 red crepe papers on each corner. At this moment, if we want, we can switch these streamers according to where the balloon ends. The same goes for this side. I can switch the streamers according to where our balloon ends. Next, we are going to take each crepe paper streamer and we will turn it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will turn each crepe paper streamers 6 times for the left side. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing, and check out my other videos. I have awesome party decoration ideas which I'll be linking here, and you can see these decorations as well.